Today is Tuesday, the 11th of August, 2020. Apologize I haven't been out doing any videos, but you can see I got a rib belt on here. I had a little incident with a steer that's going to freezer camp in November. The last couple of months he's gotten pretty bossy with the other two heifers and the other younger steer, which is also going to freezer camp this fall. And he's quite big, this guy, and he would turn around and when I'd feed grain in the tub there, he would headbutt the other ones out of it and not let them eat. So I was standing guard every day when I would feed grain, and with a stick, and he would behave himself. He would take a little shot here and there once in a while, and I was standing back there at the feed trough back over there and standing guard, and I heard the pigs squealing over here, and I wasn't sure what was going on. And I turned and looked that way, and out of the corner of my eye, I caught the two heifers jumping back. But before I could do anything, I was airborne. He got me with his horn right under the rib, bottom rib in my gut right here. And he horned me, and he basically lifted me right off my feet and threw me back about 30 feet, and I landed on the ground. Suffered a broken rib. It's broken right in here. And that's not the most painful place. The most painful place is where it connects to my spine in the back. That has been atrociously hard to breathe. And with all the things I got to get done, it has really set me back on getting anything at all done. And like, we're almost into winter here, and I should have already moved my two heifers to another farm to get bred already by now, but I can't find anybody that'll lend me a trailer. And so I've had a bunch of these press sheets. They're 1/8 steel by 55 inches wide, and they're like 16 feet long, but I had cut them into smaller pieces years ago. And they basically use a chipboard plant for pressing chips together to make chipboard. When we had the chipboard mill here years ago, but it's been closed now, and I've got several of these sheets. And my plan was always to convert one of my trailers into a trailer I can move cattle with, because the guy that I've been getting to move, he charges like hell. And he's always in a big panic. He gets here and he wants to get loaded. Like last fall or January when he come to get the two, you know, I got a huge driveway here to swing around. What does he do? He, instead of coming up here and making the big loop around, he hugs her tight and he puts the trailer up in the friggin' snowbank. Like, and he kept going until the trailer was halfway up into the snowbank, and I had to yank him sideways about 15 times with my truck to get him off of there. But anyway, he got my ribs there and busted it, and I don't know if any of you have ever experienced broken ribs, but they're very painful. And to get anything done at all, it's been impossible. It's been a chore just to feed everybody every day. But here's an update on the 5 calves. That one there is a beef cross. You guys didn't eat all your grain this morning. And you guys didn't eat all your grain this morning. That's unusual. Usually you guys clean that right up. Yeah, so there's 5 of them here. They're all doing good. I gotta dehorn them.